Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Widgets Windows 11 PC or laptop. We are going to enter Widgets in the search box to open the registry editor. Click Yes to access. After this, you will go to the path you see on the screen. Here, right-click on Microsoft and choose New, then Key. You will enter the name of that ache. After that, in some free space, right-click and choose New, stored 32-bit value. Assign the name, allow news and interests. Double-click on this value and confirm that its value is 0. Close the window. Then close the current session. When you access again, you will see that the widgets, located in the left corner of the taskbar, will not be available. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.